Hey pack leaders, this is Hero Friends are protecting families by protecting pack. We made it to Texas and this is my new office for now. I think I need to improve on the lighting a little bit, so I'll work on that later. But I want to give you guys an ETH XBT, actually ETHUSD setting that's doing well. We're using 3x leverage right now and 25,000 contracts. So with that, it's made about 0.16 BTC since yesterday. And this is actually supposed to be a maker fee, so this should be added, so the total should be 0.16, so that's equivalent to about looking at maybe about 2,000 or so within 1 day. So go ahead and take these settings, see if it works out for you guys. Make sure the position is as is. We're using really low leverage right now just to make sure we don't get any liquidations with this volatility happening, but I know it's all bull running up, but who knows, it could just slam right back down, right? So anyways, we want to make sure we cover right there. So we're just not trading as high of a contract, but still pretty high in itself. Alright, so go ahead and just pause the video. Make sure you have this minimum price change to sell 0.1. Make sure this is the map settings signals. Okay, 5-minute mode. And then there's RSI length, MACD, and yeah, there you go. MACD fast, slow, and signal. Okay, let me know how you guys go. We just got into the position right now. I think June 26th. It's 10:27 a.m. Pacific time. I think I need to adjust my time to Texas time. So anyways, I will do that later. But we just got in basically. We're 2 hours ahead, and we're already in a 4% ROE, and that means it's gonna be maybe about 0.3 by the time we get back, I'm guessing. So alright, you guys, thank you so much. Hopefully this settings worked for you guys. If you guys want to get access to the tuner, it's in the description below. We tune these settings actually every 3 hours to keep things up to date and to maximize profits. Thank you so much. We'll talk to you then.